Imagine running an entire marketing department, copywriting, social media, video production, analytics, all by yourself. No burnout, no late nights, just automation. Welcome to AI Velocity Lab. I'm Via, and today I'll show you how to run your marketing like a team of 10 using just 3 AI tools. You won't believe how simple it is until you see it work. One tool writes your copy. Another creates your content. The last one posts and analyzes everything automatically. Let's test this system in the lab. Whether you're a solo creator, a freelancer, or a small business owner, marketing often feels like an uphill sprint. You're doing everything: content, graphics, captions, posting, tracking, and you still feel behind. But what if you didn't have to? What if your AI marketing system handled the heavy lifting while you focused on growth? That's what we're building today, a plug-and-play automation workflow with ChatGPT, Pictory, and Ocoya. Each of these tools is free to try, and this workflow takes less than an hour to set up. But once you've seen how it works, you'll wonder why no one showed you this sooner. Because most people are using these tools in isolation. We're going to combine them into one lean, scalable AI machine. Let's talk about the first bottleneck: copywriting. For every blog post, ad, email, and caption, you're staring at a blank screen wondering what to write. You burn hours, or worse, pay someone else to figure it out. Enter ChatGPT. With the right prompts, it becomes your full-time copywriter. You can generate content calendars, email sequences, social captions, and landing page copy in minutes. Here's a real-world prompt that generated this week's entire content calendar. Create a 7-day social media calendar for a solopreneur promoting an AI automation toolkit. The results? Ready-to-post copy with hashtags, CTAs, and even emoji placement. But words aren't enough. You need video content to dominate social, especially Reels, YouTube Shorts, and LinkedIn clips. But video editing is slow, expensive, and let's be honest, not everyone's strength. This is where Pictory changes everything. Upload your script, and Pictory will create fully edited videos in less than 15 minutes. Stock footage, captions, music, transitions, all included. Let me show you an example. Here's a line from ChatGPT, and here's the finished Pictory video. Pretty slick, right? But there's one missing piece. You've got the words, you've got the videos. But now comes the real grind: publishing, scheduling posts, testing captions, A/B testing hashtags, optimizing send times. This is where most systems break. You're juggling tools, platforms, and logins, and marketing becomes your full-time job again. But here's the twist. Ocoya is your AI-powered publishing assistant. It connects to all your platforms: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and lets you schedule content in bulk, auto-generate captions, and even track performance over time. With one dashboard, you control your entire social pipeline. Want to test 5 variations of a caption? Ocoya uses GPT under the hood to write and optimize them instantly. Now, imagine all 3 tools talking to each other. Here's the full system, start to finish. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate your core content: blog outlines, video scripts, captions. Batch it in one sitting. Step 2. Take the video scripts into Pictory. Upload, render, and download your clips for social and YouTube. Done. Step 3. Drop it all into Ocoya. Schedule your posts for the entire week, get analytics, tweak if needed, and walk away. That's a 90% automated marketing system, running like a 10-person team. You set the strategy. The AI does the grunt work. Want to replicate this system? All 3 tools are linked below. Most have free plans, and yes, they support the channel when you use them. Here's the truth: most people don't fail because they lack talent or drive. They fail because they don't scale. They stay stuck doing everything manually. But automation is not about replacing you, it's about multiplying you. With this system, you can create more, post more, and grow more without burning out. So tell me in the comments, which tool are you most excited to test? Or do you want to see more systems like this broken down, step by step? And if you found value here, drop a like, share it with a fellow solopreneur, and hit subscribe. I'll be right here testing what works so you don't have to.